steps 35, 36, and 37. I have combined all of those activities into one. So it's this because these steps really is just putting in nuts and bolts with the while you assemble the frame for the panels for the doors, for the panels D1 and D2. So I put nuts and bolts with washers on both sides. Since I bought extra zinc washers, I felt I could put them on, and so the bottom gets 6 nuts and bolts, the middle gets 7 because there's one. Well, actually, we put the middle one in, so it gets 6, and that was done in the previous step. And then the top gets 6. And make sure you line up the frames because you need to see through the holes. I actually made a mistake and put the panel in this one. I put it in the wrong way, and this blocked the holes. So you need to make sure that you put them in the right way. So that's steps 35, 36, and 37. Oh, by the way, for the handle, I found that this angle screwdriver helped out very much while I reach on the other side with a pair of pliers to turn the nut. Or if you can do so, you can also turn the driver.